G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to light up my little tiny barbecue. As you can see there in front of me, it's about the size of a shoebox. Little tiny thing, it's actually on top of the bin, just to give you a bit of a scale. And just to make it look, I'll show you, that's about the size of a brick there. So it's just a bit bigger than a brick. And I've got wood in there with just some old coal. And I'm just about to light it up. But anyway, so I hope you're all well, and I'll light this up and we'll see how we go. Take it easy. We're having a little tiny backyard barbecue, so we're only going to put a couple of pieces of meat on there, and we'll see how we go. Cheers. Just about to light it. I've got one of these little lighting tools, and I'm just going to light these firelighter cubes there. Okay. Fire starters, I think they're called. There you go. Now this is a really small little barbecue. Probably can handle like a couple of pieces of meat and a few little sausages on there, and we're not going to cook a lot today, so you can see tiny little barbecue. We bought this a few years ago for if we're going out on a picnic somewhere and we want to light something up, something small. I think I've used it 2 or 3 times before, but the very first time I did it didn't have enough coals in there, so the food wasn't getting cooked properly. So if I see that it's not warm enough or hot enough, I'll just keep adding a bit more wood on there. But we'll see how we go. I'm not going to film it for too long. But there you go, tiny little barbecue. Okay, we've put on the grill. And we're going to put some food on there to get cooked now, so it's pretty warm. Okay, we've got 3 chops on there now. 3 lamb chops. That's all we can fit, so hopefully they start cooking, and we'll turn them over, and hopefully there's enough heat there to keep us going for a while. If not, we'll finish it off in the grill inside the oven. I've moved the little barbecue on top of this table here because it's getting a bit windy, and you can see they're starting to cook pretty good. It's a small barbecue, so there you go. We'll slowly get there. I'm not sure how much it's going to cook because there's not many coals in there, but we'll get there eventually. Okay, these lamb chops are cooking really slow, as you can see. We've just turned them over. There's not much heat in there, but they are cooking slowly. Not sure if we're going to be able to do any more. Sorry about the shade there, but I've just come. We've got like small sausages and a bit of chicken there. We're not going to have probably enough strength in these coals to cook everything. So we might have to just eat the lamb chops, but slowly but surely they're cooking. So it's going to take a while. See, underneath they're not quite there yet. Yeah, it's going to take a while, but we'll sit there and have a drink, and we'll wait for these to cook slowly. Okay, there we have some chicken, a few little sausages, a couple of chops in there. Took a while, but they're all done. We're going to go have some lunch now. And we've got some toasted bread. So we're going to go have some lunch. Cheers.